Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Excellence Academia. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Thank you so much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, respected teachers and friends, Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is the lecture series of Part 2 Mathematics, and we will going to start our new chapter, chapter number 4. Introduction to Analytic Geometry. First of all, if we have 2 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, then distance between A, B can find with the help of this formula. AB is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Similarly, if you want to find this M midpoint, then you can use this formula. M is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. It means x component divided by 2 and y sum of y component divided by 2. Now we are going to start our first exercise number 4.1. 4.1 first question is about quadrants. Describe the location. If you have x greater than 0, it means x is positive. If you have x is less than 0, it means x is negative. So first question is objective question. So if we discuss quadrants in xy plane, you know that right side x-axis is positive and left side x-axis is negative. This is our origin, and upward y positive and downward y negative. So in first quadrant, both values have positive sign. Similarly, second quadrant, x negative and y positive. Anti-clockwise direction, third quadrant, x negative and y negative. So finally, fourth quadrant, x positive and y negative. So you can use this quadrants table for location of the numbers. So question number 2. Question number 2, find the distance between the 2 points and midpoint. We solve this third part. C is equal to A minus under root 5 comma minus 1 over 3, and we have one more point B minus 3 and minus 3 under root 5 and 5. First of all, find the distance. So we use distance formula. AB distance is equal to y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Now here A point is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. Putting the values, we have y2 5 minus and minus plus y1 1 by 3 whole square plus x2 minus 3 under root 5 and minus plus under root 5 whole square. 5 plus 1 by 3, 16 by 3 whole square plus minus 3 under root 5 plus 1 under root 5 minus 2 under root 5 whole square. Now taking square on subscale of both values. So 16 square will be 256. So 256 over 9 plus 20. So we have 256 plus 180 over 9 square root. 256 plus 180, we get 436 over 3. This is our first answer, distance AB. Now second part of this question is midpoint. Finding the midpoint, we have formula. Second part, m is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So you get, putting the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2, minus under root 5 plus minus 3 under root 5 over 2. Similarly, y1 minus 1 by 3 comma plus 5 whole divided by 2. So it becomes minus 4 under root 5 by 2 and minus 14 by 6. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 7 the. So we have minus 2 under root 5 and minus 7 by 3. This is your required answer of question number 1. 2. Now question number 3 is also same. But if you have only one point, then you can use this formula, distance formula, if one point is given. So distance is equal to a square plus b square the square root. Question number 3 is, which of the following points are at a distance of 15 units? So A part, we have a point 176 root and 7. Because we have only one point, that's why this is A and this is B. Using formula D is equal to A square plus B square का root 176 under root square plus 7 square whole under root. It becomes 176 plus 49. 225 root and 225 root is 15 units. This is your required answer. Students, question number 4 is just like 9.2 of class 9. These questions are the proofs of the shapes triangle, parallelogram, rectangle, etc. Question number 4 is, if we have 3 points, prove that these 3 are the vertices of right triangle. So you know that triangle have 3 vertices. That's why first of all we find the 3 distances. AB distance y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, x1 y1 x2 y2. It becomes minus 1 minus 2 whole square and under root 3 minus 0 whole square. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 square is equal to 9. Under root 3 square and root cancel each other, so it becomes 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Similarly, BC distance minus 2 plus 1 whole square and 0 minus 3 whole square. Minus 1 square plus 3 square. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and it becomes 4 root is equal to Finally, the third side AC distance is -2 whole square plus 0 का square minus 4 का square 16 root is equal to 4. Now you can use the formula of Pythagoras theorem, and you know that Pythagoras theorem is sum and square of two sides of the triangle is equal to the square of third side. So here you can see that this value AC distance is the bigger value, so it means AC is our hypotenuse. So you can use formula of Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now check, if both sides are equal, it means ABC are the vertices of right triangle. So it becomes 4 square, this is under root 12 square and 2 square. This becomes 16 and this becomes 12 plus 4. 16 is equal to 16. So by theory, it is proved that ABC is a right triangle vertices. Now you can check with the help of graph. So I draw the graph. Maximum value of 3 points is 2. So here 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So under root 3 is equal to 1.7 something. So A vertex is 0 and 2, x0 and y2, this one. B vertex is under root 3 and minus 1. 1.73, this one, 1 under root 3, so minus 1. So it means this point. Finally C point is 0 and minus 2, x0 and y minus 2, this point. So when we join these lines, this is our A 0 2, this is our B under root 3 and minus 1, this is our C 0 and minus 2. So here you can see that AC is the bigger value. It means this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular and this is base. So finally you can prove by graphical method these are the vertices of right triangle. So question number 4 have 2 parts more. You can solve all of these parts with the help of first part. So question number 5. This is the last question of today's lecture. Question number 5 is the midpoints of side of triangle are this. It means we have triangle A, B, C and 3 midpoints are this one D and 1 and minus 1, E, minus 4 and minus 3 and F, minus 1 and 1. So you have to find the vertices. So let first vertex is x1 y1, second is x2 y2, third is x3 y3. You have to find the all 3 vertices. So condition is we have given the midpoints. That's why we use the condition of midpoints to find the values of the vertices. First of all, D is equal to midpoint of AB. So putting the value d minus 1, 1 and minus 1. Using the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. If these points are equal, you can equate the both values. So 1 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. This becomes x1 plus x2 is equal to 2, equation number 1. And minus 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. And this becomes y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2, equation number 2. Similarly, you can find the other 4 equations. E is equal to midpoint of BC. E is minus 4 and minus 3. And BC is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Equating the coefficients, minus 4, this becomes x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 8, equation number 3. And minus 3 is equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. This becomes y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 6, equation number 4. Finally, f is equal to midpoint of AC. So f is minus 1 and 1, and AC is x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 and y3 by 2. So this becomes x1 plus x3 by 2. So we have equation x1 plus x3 minus 2, equation number 5. And y1 plus y3 by 2. And we have equation y1 y3 is equal to 2, equation number 6. So students, 6 unknowns and we have 6 equations. By solving simultaneously you can get the answers. So x1 and x2, first of all we solve for x. Solving for x. x2, x1 and 3, yes. Subtract 1 and 3, we get one equation is x1 plus x2 is equal to 2, and x3 plus x2 is equal to minus 8. Subtract this equation, this is cancelled, x1 minus x3 is equal to 10, equation number 7. Now you can see that x1 and 3, this one and this one. So adding, because x3 have opposite sign, that's why we add these equations, adding 5 and 7. So x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 2, x1 minus x3 is equal to 10. Cancel, 2x1 is equal to 8, x1 is equal to 8 by 2, x1 is equal to 4. Put x1 in equation, put x1 in equation 5 or equation 7. Put in equation 7 we get, put in equation 5. Equation 5 is x1 plus x3. 4 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. x3 minus 2 minus 4. x3 is equal to minus 6. Now put x1 in equation 1. put x1 in equation 1. So 4 plus x2 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 2 minus 4. x2 is equal to minus 2. We solve the values for x. Now we can solve values for y in similar method. So similarly, equation subtract, solve for y. Subtract equation 2 and 4. Subtract equation 2 and 4, we get equation 2 is y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. And equation 4 is y2 plus y3. y3 plus y2 is equal to minus 6. So by subtracting plus minus cancel, we have y1 minus y3 is equal to 4. Equation number 8. Now equation 6 and 8. By adding equation 6 and 8, we get adding equation 6 and 8. Adding equation 6 and 8. Equation 6 is y1 plus y3 is equal to 2 and y1 minus y3 is equal to 4. 2y1 is equal to 6. So y1 is equal to 6 by 2. y1 is equal to 3. Put this equation in equation. Put in 6. 3 plus y3 is equal to 2. y3 is equal to 2 minus 3. y3 is equal to minus 1. And finally, put y1 in equation 2. y1 3 plus y2. So put value of y1 in equation 2. 3 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. y2 is minus 2 and minus 3. It becomes minus 5. So we have find all the 6 values. So what is our A, 4 and 3? B is minus 2 and minus 5. And C is minus 6 and minus 1. Students, आज के लेक्चर में आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक 4.1 एक्सरसाइज को हमने कवर किया. ये चैप्टर बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसके बाकी लेक्चर्स भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो डोंट मिस द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स. For this you can subscribe our YouTube channel and our link channel Inspire Education and share with your friends. Thank you so much.